All right, today's project is going in and trimming up some of these leaves. I got plenty to choose from. These over here, some behind the fence, but they lean over too much. All right, let's see what we can do.
Alright, so first things first, let me do a few little cuts and see how this pole saw really works. Because you know, sometimes Bobette bites off more than she can chew. But you know what? This looks promising. I can see this happening. I am a little short. I should probably extend this out. Oh, now we're cooking with grease. Oh, yeah. It wasn't until after this project that I actually went on YouTube and watched other people's how-to one-on-one videos. So I didn't know the tip of cut a little from the bottom and then go to the top and it'll fall like butter. Okay, because I was going all in with this project, I didn't want to leave anything behind the fence because I have a feeling that my pile is stacking up back there. This isn't my first time cutting trees, limbs, all that behind the fence. And there are times where I do just let them fall versus bringing them forward and actually disposing them appropriately.
gotta do something. That looks better already.
It was at this moment that I realized yesterday's upper workout at the gym mixed with these right here, my shoulders were dead. That thing was starting to get heavy. So I don't think my cuts were as great as they were when I started.
This is Bob at the builder. How can I help you? Yes.
It's always got to be somebody who got to call you to interrupt your progress because they question whether or not you can get the job done. Do they not realize I'm Bobette? I build things.
You know my neighbors get a kick out of looking at their camera footage. Cause I thought they be wondering what this child up to. I just know good well they be wondering what she up to. Okay, so here's where we stand on this tree. We cleaned it up some, so it's not as much hanging here, but we really need to get some of these guys. I'm just too short to get them without a ladder or something. But as you can see, most of that is cleared now. Got a few more up in here that we need to get and pull down, but they're the ones that are connected to the trees behind the line. And again, I would need a ladder. Right here on the line, our line is looking cleaner. But next thought would be tackling those guys. And you see how far they come out into the yard? So much so they're messing up the sunlight for the garden. So that's why we got to get those out. That's our tarp full limbs. Let's see what we can do on this tree. I really don't know what this is. Alright, this tree is much thicker. See, like this thicker.
I really started lifting this thing with my legs because my shoulders were done. If I haven't said it yet, this is a great time for me to remind you that this is one of those jobs where you should have eye protection on. Because those limbs, leaves, all kinds of debris is just flying. But I never think about it because I wear glasses. Let me take a quick break and look at my garden, see how things are going. I had to take a second and inspect the chainsaw. A lot of leaves and debris got tied up in my chain. Right here you can see all the limbs that we ended up with. It's about 2 tarps full. I was determined to take them that day, so I threw them in my car, rode down the road to the dump to go ahead and get rid of them because I knew if I waited, those limbs would stay in my backyard probably for another, I don't know how long. And now, here's our after. I know just looking at it doesn't look like much has changed, but it's much better. One day, I'll get a ladder, step stool, or somebody taller to go back and trim up a few trees, but for now, I'm satisfied.